In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Gmail by name, a skill that can save you time and help you navigate your inbox more efficiently. Have you ever found yourself lost in an ocean of emails trying to locate correspondence from a specific person? Well, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to pinpoint the emails you're looking for, quickly and easily. First things first, let's dive into your Gmail inbox. You'll need to start at your home base, which is where all your emails live and breathe. This might seem obvious, but ensuring you're in the right place is crucial. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're logged into the correct one where the desired emails are located. Once you're in your inbox, the first step is to use the search bar at the top of the page. This is your gateway to narrowing down emails by a variety of criteria, including names. However, navigating this might seem daunting if you're not familiar with it. But don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. If you're looking for emails from a specific person, you would type in their name into this search bar. It's like summoning all the correspondence related to that name with a magic word, or in this case, their name. For example, typing John Doe will bring up all emails sent by and received from John Doe. This is incredibly handy if you remember the person's name, but not the specifics of when the email was sent or what it was about. Now, it might be tempting just to type the name and hit enter, but let's refine our search to get the best results. After you type the name, you may notice suggestions pop up beneath the search bar. These suggestions can help you narrow down your search further without having to remember the exact Gmail search operators. However, if you prefer to be more specific, you can use operators like from, followed by the name to see emails sent from that person, or to, followed by the name to see emails sent to that person. This specificity will help cut through the clutter. To give you a better picture, let's say you remember receiving an important email from Alex, but can't recall when or what the subject was. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you'd simply enter from Alex into the search bar. In seconds, Gmail will filter through the tons of emails and present you with a list of emails sent from Alex. Once you see the list of results, it's just a matter of browsing through to find the email you need. Sometimes you might need to review a few emails to find the exact one, especially if the person you're searching for has sent you numerous emails over time. Also, remember the search results can include both the emails you've received from the person and emails you've sent to them, depending on the search parameters you've used. A little tip here, the search functionality in Gmail is powerful and can recognize partial matches as well. So if you're unsure about the full name of the person or possibly misspell it, Gmail can still likely help you find the emails related to your search query. Additionally, your search doesn't have to stop with just names. Let's say you remember something about the content of the email or a specific word used. You can add those keywords into the search bar along with the name to further narrow things down. Gmail's search algorithm is quite robust, allowing you to layer multiple search criteria to really pinpoint the message you're after. Lastly, once you've found the email, managing it is the next step, whether that means replying, archiving, or organizing it into a folder. Efficiently managing your emails after you've found them ensures your inbox stays organized, and that important emails are always within reach when you need them. In summary, searching for emails by name in Gmail is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your email management skills. By familiarizing yourself with the search bar at the top of the page, using specific search operators like from, or to, and even incorporating additional keywords or partial names, you can transform your inbox from a chaotic mess into a neatly organized repository of communications. And there you have it, an easy guide to searching on Gmail by name. Remember, the key to mastering your inbox is knowing how to effectively use the tools at your disposal, and searching by name is one of the essential skills for navigating your email sea. With this knowledge in hand, you're now equipped to find those needle in a haystack emails in no time. Happy emailing,